Hi viewers, welcome to Feel Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is what makes you famous in your life. What will make you famous in your life? Sir, we can say how you will be famous in your life. So this is a pick a card reading. So you have to choose the pile which you are drawn towards. Yeah, you can choose multiple piles also. So let's move into the reading. Let's see. For pile number 1, who choose green pile? What makes you famous in your life? So pile number 1, who choose green pile? So travel makes you famous in your life. So you need to travel. So because of the travel, you will become famous. You will do lot of travel in your life, or you will visit lot of places, locations. Maybe you will do world tour also. So and moreover, you will do this traveling with your soulmate or companion, your partner. So with that travel you will be famous. Because of the travel you will be famous, or because of the travel you will learn lot of things, and which you will share to other people. Maybe you will start a travel blog or travel YouTube channel, so which will make you famous. So this is what makes you famous, or this is how you will become famous. If you have a travel habit, or you are very much fond of travel, in future you will do lot of traveling, you will visit lot of places. It is within the country or out of country, and this travel will be with your soulmate or partner, and you just not travel and gain the knowledge. After traveling you will share that knowledge or that good things in that places whichever you visited, the places, and whatever you observed there, whatever good things you are attracted towards, you will share those things to other people. And that's what you will going to start a travel blog or a travel channel, YouTube channel kind of thing. So that will make you famous. If you are really interested in traveling, work on it. Keep working on it, or keep traveling, but don't travel and come. Try to find out the things which is interested in you, or which you are attracted towards, and yeah, you can start channel also or blog also regarding the traveling which you did, the places, locations. So this will make you famous. Let's move on to pile number 2, who choose red pile. What will make you famous in your life, or how you will become famous? So pile number 2, you are the emperor. That means you are a very mature, wise, determined, very logical person. You have very good leadership skills. So you will guide lot of people in your life. Yeah, that's what you are. You have a good leadership skills, and you will become a leader, and you will lead people. You will show the path to lot of people. You will guide lot of people. So this is how you will become famous. So if you are right now, if you don't have leadership qualities also, or you won't feel that you have, actually within you have that leadership qualities. If you work on it, definitely you will become a good leader, and these leadership skills will make you famous. You will become a very wise person, and lot of people will follow you. You hold a lot of knowledge, and you know how to handle the things and situations and people. And if any kind of problems you may face in your life, or others are facing, you will have that solution for that problems. Actually, you have solution for every problem. So this is what makes you famous, or this is how you will become famous. So work on that skills. If you don't know also, try to find out it and work on it. You are on your leadership skills. Keep more focus on that leadership skills. Definitely you will become famous on that. Let's move on to pile number 3. Who choose blue pile? What makes you famous in your life, or how you will become famous? So pile number 3. Who choose blue pile? So pile number 3, you won't be having balancing things in your life. You will be very imbalanced person, or you don't know how to give and take equally. So this is how you will become famous. This is how people will come know you, that you don't know the balance, or you don't know how to balance the things, or you don't know how to give and take. You only concentrate on taking, or you only concentrate on giving. You will give, but you won't take, or you only give, you won't. That's what, you only take, you don't know how to give. So there is no balance in your life actually. So whether it is come to money, or personal life, professional life, love, relationships, whatever the situation, you don't know the balance. You need to learn that balance. So this is how people know about you, or know you. This is how you become famous. People will talk about that this person don't know how to balance the things, or this person don't know how to give and take equally. You don't maintain that equality. So try to maintain equality. That will be good for you and the people around you. So try to work on it. Wherever in your life, if you think that there is no balance, actually you don't have idea about that. You don't even know that where it is a balance, or where it is not there. You don't even have that knowledge. That is the reason why you will become famous in this way, like imbalanced person. So yeah, we can work on ourselves, and we can change our energies, our thought process. So I will suggest that work on it and try to understand where you are losing the balance, because everyone knows that, but the thing is we mostly avoid it, or we ignore the things. We definitely feel if somewhere we are losing the balance, we definitely feel that, but the thing is we ignore that feeling. So if at all you get that thought that somewhere it is losing balance, or somewhere you felt that someone is giving more and you are not giving anything in the return, don't be a selfish person, or just thinking about receiving the things. Try to give it also. Or if you are giving lot of things and no one is returning you, or you are not getting anything in the return, so think about that also. If it is in that way, think about that and try to make it in a balanced way, because giving is not going to, or you are not getting anything, means in the end you will be drained. So that is also not a good thing, whether it is about love, affection, money, whatever. So when you are giving or when you are taking, just think about it, whether it is equally happening or not. This is how we can balance the things. So finally, actually, based on this card, you will be known as or you will become a famous as an imbalanced person. People will know you like an imbalanced person who don't know what is equal give and take. So let's move on to pile number 4. Who choose white pile? What will make you famous, or how you will become famous in your life? So pile number 4. Who choose white pile? You will know, people will know you for your hard work. You will put lot of efforts whatever you are doing. You will work on things very hardly. Whatever you decided to do, you will work on that very hardly or very concentratedly, you put lot of efforts whatever you are doing, so you will become famous with your hard work, I can say. You will become famous with your hard work, and people will know you with your hard work. Whenever people see that this person is very hard working person, they say that words. Whenever they see you, they simply remember of that hard work. So if the hard work is a person, they will show you. So if the hard work is a person, so they will show you. So you are that hard working person. You don't think that the things will come to you easily, or by luck you will get the things, or by luck you will get famous kind of things. You just concentrate on working, whatever you want to achieve. You put lot of efforts and you work very hard. So this hard work will make you famous. This is how you will become famous in your life. So whatever you are doing, don't give up. If you want to take a break, just take a break and continue doing. Don't stop putting your efforts, or don't stop putting your hard work. Just work hard. Definitely you will be famous in this field. Actually, I think already you are famous because of that, because people already know you as a hardworking person. So this is how you are famous. So anyway, when we do hard work, definitely we will get the results. So let's move on to pile number 5. Who choose yellow pile? So pile number 5. What will make you famous, or how you will become famous in your life? Pile number 5, you have lot of skills, but the thing is you don't believe on these skills, or you don't believe in your skills. There are multiple skills within you, so you need to work on it first. There are not single thing. There are so many ways to become a famous, but the thing is first you need to understand yourself, or you need to work on your skills. You need to find out what you are good at, because I think you are all over the place. You are not just at one thing, but you have very good skills, so you don't believe it. That's it. You have good skills, you are all over the place, you have multiple skills, or multi-talented or multi-task good person, but the thing is you don't believe in yourself. You are just don't believe in yourself, or you don't believe in your skills or your capabilities. So first, what will make you famous is a different thing for you here, because first you need to believe in yourself. Then only you can do something, and then you will become famous. So for you, the message is believe in yourself. Start believing in yourself, and start believing in your capabilities or skills, whatever you have. Just don't take it as a granted. So just believe those skills, believe yourself, believe your capabilities, and work on those things. Definitely it will make you famous. Actually, that is what this card simply says, that it is not disclosed right now. So that's what you cannot say it, which in single field or in which field exactly, like other cards, because you are not believing in yourself. First, if you believe in yourself and you know what the pros and cons of you are, what you are good at and what you are not, and whatever you are good at, if you find out that and you are working on that, definitely it will make you famous. So first, you need to believe in yourself. So to find out how to become famous or what makes you famous is believe in yourself first, and you will get the answer. Once you start believing in yourself and start believing in your skills and working on your skills, definitely you will know the answer within yourself. You have already, so you will know that answer. but it will take time, because first you need to believe in yourself. So thank you for watching. For more videos, like and subscribe. So for personal readings, you can contact me. You will find the details in description box.